All right, the court now will call 112671 State versus Destiny Danae Shepherd. Ms. Shepherd is present with her attorney, Mr. Noah LeBlanc. Also present is Mr. Jared Umbles with the state. We are conducting the hearing remotely using Zoom video conferencing. We are also live on the court's YouTube channel. There's to be no recording of this proceeding. Ms. Shepherd, if I can get you to raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. At this time now, Mr. LeBlanc, does Ms. Shepherd waive the arraignment and the reading of the information?
She does, Your Honor.
Ms. Shepherd, you have a right to a jury trial in this case. And at this time, do you wish to give up that right?
Yes, sir.
To this charge of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge because you are guilty of that charge and for no other reason?
Yes, sir.
And are you making that plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
I now have here State's Exhibits 1 and 2. Does the state offer those?
Yes, sir, we do, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. We're just having a little trouble picking you up there, Mr.
I know, for some reason, I don't understand why it's doing that, but
I know. All right. The court will admit State's Exhibits 1 and 2. Ms. Shepherd, these exhibits, that's the paperwork that you went over with Mr. LeBlanc. In that paperwork, did you understand the range of punishment that you faced?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand all of the rights that you were giving up?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything in the paperwork after you went over it all with Mr. LeBlanc?
Yes, sir.
All right then, Ms. Shepherd, based upon your plea and based upon the evidence, the court will find you guilty of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. I will follow the plea agreement and set punishment at 1 year confinement in the Orange County Jail. That period of confinement will be probated, however, and instead you'll be placed on probation for a term of 12 months. Now, along with that will be an $800 fine, court cost of $460. There are probation fees of $60 per month. There's community service. There's a new thing called a statutory DWI traffic fine of $3,000, but I will tax and retire that so you don't have to pay that large amount.
good.
It's a political thing.
Yeah.
All right, before I get to the rest, Ms. Shepherd, this is a plea bargain case that I did go along with, so that means you have no right to appeal. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
The way it all works then, Ms. Shepherd, have you gone over these conditions of probation with Mr. LeBlanc?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those?
No, sir.
You've already got the interlock, right?
She doesn't have it yet, Judge.
Oh, okay. I thought that was a condition of bond.
No, sir.
Okay, well, you'll have to have an interlock device installed in the vehicle that you drive most often. That has to be done in the next 30 days. In a moment, you'll go over to probation and they'll give you the contact information you need to get that done.
Smart.
The way it all works is you're on probation for 12 months, for a year. You successfully complete the probation, and in a year's time, you'll be done with probation. No longer have to report. That's the upside. The downside, though, is that if the state were to prove that you violated the probation in any way, may have nothing to do with driving while intoxicated, but any violation could mean your probation could be revoked and you could face up to 1 year confinement in the county jail. So you understand the good and the bad, Ms. Shepherd.
Yes, sir.
All right, as soon as you're done with Mr. LeBlanc, just go right down the street to the probation department. They'll go over the conditions with you again, set up your scheduling, and then you'll also get a copy of your probation order. Any questions then?
No, sir.
Judge, you would like her to have a copy of her trial certification?
Sir?
Would you like her to have a copy of her trial certification?
Yes, if you've got that handy, thank you. All right, well, best of luck to you, Ms. Shepherd. As soon as you're done with Mr. LeBlanc, go to probation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you very much. We will be in recess.
Judge, I think I have a juvenile in your court at 1 or something. Is it your court?
Yeah, but it's for 11, at 11.
Oh, 11. I'm sorry. I knew there was a 1 involved.
Okay, he had 2 ones. And he's gone. All right, thank y'all.
All right, thanks,
Back
Judge.